Today I want to go through conditional formatting because if you have colors light up and stuff, it's a lot easier than trying to go through and pick out stuff like duplicates, greater than, less than, or text that contains certain values or digits or letters, whatever. Which, if you're running lots and lots of data like this giant list of randomly generated stuff that I randomly generated, it can be very time consuming and very frustrating, and just let Excel do it for you. So let's start off with duplicates. So if you want to have duplicates show up plain as day, here's what you do. You highlight the column because you want to include all of the values. You go up here to conditional formatting and you hit highlight cell rules and you go to duplicate values. Now watch this. You can obviously format this any way you want, but just, stick with red because that's all we're really trying to do. And you hit OK because maybe you want to make sure there aren't any social security numbers on here that, it's the same person twice. Now, before you go and lose your mind over it, these, again, like I said, are randomly generated SSN numbers. So don't think these are real people. So, oh, right there, there's one. And there's another one. It's the same number. So it highlighted it so you don't have to go through and find any in common, which I don't even know how you would do that. It would take days. Well, Excel just did it in like a nanosecond. You're welcome. Now, let's go through and do a greater than. So you go here, same place, highlight cell rules, greater than, and we want to do, let's say anything over 500. We want to know who the expensive people are. I don't know why it highlights that, whatever. But there's one, there's one, there's one, and it leaves all the ones that are under 500. Just, oh man, this person's in big trouble. I don't even know why. This list is random. Anyway, so that's how you do a greater than and less than. If you want to do, let's do a less than, but color it differently. Let's do yellow, and we want to do less than 100. It will now point out the people with amounts under 100, just like that. And it's very easy to spot those versus going through and just eyeballing it for anything under 100 or anything over 400 or whatever we did. This is just a really quick way because your eye spots color way easier than just black and white numbers. Now, let's say we've got this list of stuff and we want to spot everything that has a certain text, a certain word in it or something like that. You go to text that contains, and let's say we want to highlight everything that has this GRRM. Now, I know those are the initials for George R.R. Martin, but it was, again, our sort of random number. So any cell that contains GRRM is now going to show up red. And that's pretty much everything I wanted to show you on conditional formatting. Obviously, there's a whole bunch of other options. There's top and bottom rules. There's between. There's equal to, a date occurring, and you can highlight dates in here. But so that's the system, and it's very easy and very, very helpful, especially for us accountants dealing with lots of data. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will have more of these coming out soon. Talk to you soon. Bye.